The gloves are off in the race for U.S. Senate over health care. That's right. Senator Tammy Baldwin, make no bones about it. She's in favor of single-payer health care and supports Bernie Sanders' bill, or is co-sponsoring, Medicare for all. Medicare for all. Why fight with insurance companies? Why worry about it? Don't worry about pre-existing conditions. And so we've come a long way on that with politicians, because Russ Feingold was in favor of single payer. He's one of 10% of senators for a long time that's in favor of single payer, called socialized medicine by Republicans. Wilbur Mills, way back in the late 70s, early 80s, was for single payer for the country. People laughed at him. Ronald Reagan used to run as early as 64 in his famous televised speech for Goldwater against socialized medicine. But now we've come to the point, people don't want to fight with insurance companies. People want a doctor when they want a doctor. But it's a catch-22. They think the rich will pay for it. As long as the rich are paying for it, we're going to be like Western Europe, tax people at a high rate like Denmark, and we'll just have health care. It'll be a better place. But Americans also don't have patience. Ray Kroc, McDonald's, knew that Americans didn't want to wait. He put the golden arches so you could see it, drive through, get the burger, get the shake. So we sort of our own worst enemies. We want available stuff. We want somebody else to pay for it, but we want to pay for it ourselves. So the health care debate between Vukmir, a nurse, by the way, and Tammy Baldwin can be central to this race. And if a politician can openly say in front of everybody in the state, I'm for Medicare for all, even though it costs trillions of dollars because health care involves a lot more, and people say yes and vote for that incumbent, then we've come to the point. We'd be headed for England. Margaret Thatcher, a conservative on most other things, supported the National Health Service. Are we to that point? We're closer to that point than any point before this. And those are my 2 cents. My 2 minutes are brought to you by Edge Construction and Capital Consultants. Bill McCoshen, a lobbyist to work for Tommy, who knows how to get things done at the Capitol. We talk about this and more next time on 2 Minutes with Mitch.